Hey guys, how's it going? Those of you who saw my Instagram story, it turns out I can't go live for 24 hours because YouTube takes that long to verify. And I didn't think I'd ever do like live things on the channel, so I never bothered to verify the live chat. And that takes 24 hours to update, so we don't have any way to go live. So I'm just gonna make an old-fashioned video and upload it from there. We'll see what happens. We'll do a lot of time lapses and a lot of music, because that's what the live stream is supposed to be. Today, I figured we'd pull my motorcycle out of storage and we'd spend today cleaning it up and polishing and making it really roadworthy. Right now my wife is sick, and so that's why I'm going to stick a little bit closer to home. We don't not go down to the shop. Monday is President's Day, so Monday we'll go down to the shop, we'll do some things, and then maybe upload that video. Then Saturday upload another video, and we'll have a lot more content for you guys to check out. So first things first, it's like the beginning of the season kind of thing. So what I want to do is I want to like strip down some parts so I can really get in it and really clean it. Like I want to take these saddlebags off. I want to see if I can take the seat off. I don't know if I can take this off without really messing up with my center console. And it's Allen keys. All my Allen keys are down at the shop, so I'd rather not. So maybe we can just clean around this. And then we try and get like a first startup of the year. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this oil level while squeezing the brakes so it doesn't roll away on me. There you go. Standing out of the oil comes up about halfway up. It's looking a little dark, so we might need to do an oil change sooner than later. But for now, I got full oil and I'm okay. It'll still be a couple weeks before I actually ride this, just because it's still really cold. I just want to get it cleaned up and looking really good for when the season does come. So first things first, we're going to take off this bolt. It'll take off this rear seat. That'll help us take the saddlebags off, as well as clean underneath this seat. Okay, change of plans. This inner key is stripped out and I can't get enough force to turn the bolt, so these are getting left on. We'll have to wash around them again. Because I can't pull that off, I can't pull the seat off, so it is what it is. So step one, I'm just going to take this rag, I'm just going to run down, wipe down all of this dust and dirt and water off of it, try and get it all clean. Now it's a scratch, I'll have to buff that out. And then I'm also going to cut this off and re-tape that. So that broke a while ago and I can't find anything that'll replace it. So I've just been taping it and it's worked great. But yeah, once I get this all wiped down, I'll move on to a glass and chrome cleaner, and then I'll polish all the black plastics. And that would have been 10 times easier if I'd been able to take off the seats and saddlebags, but it is what it is. Alright. All these chrome bits looking better. I'm gonna go ahead and retape this up. I'm gonna go ahead and use the magic of editing. There we go. Alright, on to the polishing. For some of you longer subscribers, you guys will recognize this as the same wax we used on the Charger. I'm hoping I'll get the same results on the motorcycle. Alright, now it says the polish needs some time to dry, so I'm going to go in and have a snack.
Seems to be the theme of this deck is just trying to get the tempo in.
Okay, so I'm going to tap 3 of my mountains and play out the Rummaging Goblin again, which is no surprise. You already know I had that.
Okay.
I'll pass the turn.
I hope it's a length.
Alright, that was pretty good. There we have it, a clean and polished motorcycle, ready for the motorcycle season. Thank you guys for watching. A little bit shorter video today, but that's just what I could do today. Monday, we'll get back down to the Prelude. We'll do that subframe, maybe have the engine pulled out of the Volvo. I don't know, Volvo's got a weird schedule right now. But yeah, we'll get back to that in a bit. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys later.